Welcome back. Now, the Midday Sports Roundup.
Jamaica will host New Zealand in Group 2 playoffs in the Davis Cup in 2025, following Monday's draw by the International Tennis Federation. This will be the second time in 3 years that Jamaica will be hosting games in the Davis Cup. The draw follows the restructuring of the tournament. The new format requires 4 additional teams in the World Group 2 playoffs. The 4 additional teams, which includes Jamaica, are the highest-ranked non-promoted nations from each of the 4 2024 regional Group 3 events. The Jamaicans had missed out on automatic qualification to Group 2 after contesting the third round in the Americas Zone matchup in Paraguay earlier this year. Jamaica's tie against New Zealand will take place from February 1 to 2 next year. St. Lucia Kings are champions of the Caribbean Premier League for the first time in their history. The Kings beat 2023 winners Guyana Amazon Warriors by 6 wickets in the final at the Providence Stadium on Sunday night. Sent to bat, the Amazon Warriors were restricted to a below par 138 for 8 off their 20 overs. Dwayne Pretorius top scored with 25 while Shea Hope made 22. Spinner Noor Ahmed took 3 for 19 for the Kings. In reply, the Kings made hard work of their run chase initially and were reduced to 51 for 4 at one stage. And needing 65 of 30 balls to win, a gallant effort from Aaron Jones, who cracked 48 not out of 31 balls, and an unbeaten 39 from Roston Chase of 22 balls, carried them across the line at 139 for 4 of 18.1 overs. Jones and Chase shared in a crucial unbeaten 88-run fifth-wicket partnership. And after being eliminated from the CONCACAF Caribbean Cup last week, 2023 champions Mount Pleasant FC will now focus on the league title as they take on Racing United FC in one of 3 games in the Jamaica Premier League today. The game, which is the first of a doubleheader at the Montego Bay Sports Complex, is set to kick off at 5 p.m. Mount Pleasant have been away from the league for an extended period due to CONCACAF duties, as they have not played a league game since their 2-0 win over Portmore United on September 15. Racing United over that period have experienced every result in their 3 games, with 1 win, 1 defeat and a draw. Meanwhile, in the featured game in Catherine Hall, hosts Montego Bay United will take on Arnett Garden starting at 7:30. Montego Bay United are coming off a hard-fought 1-0 win over Chapperton Maroons last week and were beaten in their first league game at home 2-1 by Harbourview on matchday 2. Arnett are one of only 4 unbeaten teams left in the league. The other game today will come from Sabina Park and will see newly appointed Dunbar Holding coach Bijan Thomas taking charge of his first Premier League game with the club when they take on league leaders Cavalier. Thomas replaces Philip Williams with Dunbar Holding at the foot of the table with 2 defeats from 2. Cavalier, in the meantime, can extend their lead atop the standing to 3 points should they win the 3 p.m. contest. And that's it for your Midday Sports. I'm Renata Brown.
Thank you, Renardo, and that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.